How to verify domain ownership in Google Workspace. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can verify your domain ownership in Google Workspace. Whether you're purchasing from GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, or any other domain name provider or marketplace, you can easily verify your domain on Google Workspace and get the full benefits of using Google Workspace with amazing mailing, calendar, Drive, document, and Google Meet functions available exclusively on Workspace. And these all are going to be accelerated with the power of Gemini, Google's AI. So let's jump right in. To get started, first off, the first thing I recommend to make this process a whole lot more easier is opening up your domain name provider. Now, I have purchased my domain via GoDaddy, so I'm going to just open up GoDaddy and then open up the selected domain. So I have this one, which is called thespencer.site, and I'm just going to open this up. Whichever domain name provider you're using, whether it's actually a domain marketplace or if it's just a website that you just found your domain off of, domain.com, whatever it is, even if you don't know what it is, simply head on over to that particular website where your domain has been purchased. And in that marketplace, you want to log on to that marketplace in your Chrome browser or in your primary browser where you're going to open up Google Workspace. This just makes a lot of domain connections very quick and easy. And once you've done that, you're just going to go into your domain settings. And this is what our domain looks like. Now, from here, we can proceed on to Google Workspace. So we're going to go into Google Workspace and then click on Get Started. And we're going to enter our business name. It is Spencer. We're going to add that, the number of employees, the region, and the first name and last name and current email address. And your current email address is actually going to be your Gmail address, whatever you actually have right now. After that, Google Workspace is going to ask you if you already have a domain. So we do, and I'm going to click on yes, I have one, and it's thespencer.site, and then click on next. Now I'm going to go with lilydavis.site. I'm just going to ensure that is my domain. I hope I'm remembering my domain correctly. Yeah, so I'm going to go with lilydavis.site because I've already used the Spencer site domain previously in Google Workspace. So you guys can see we have this particular domain, and then I'm just going to click on next. After that, you're going to choose your username that you want to associate. So Jane, and then after that, we can enter our password and then click on agree and continue, and then we can proceed on to domain verification. Now, for domain verification, Google is going to actually redirect us to the Google Search Console for our domain to be verified. So when you head on over to Google Search Console to verify your domain, and what you're going to do is you're going to head on over to Google Search Console, and then you're going to type in your domain in the domain section. It's not a URL prefix, it's a domain. So you're going to have to do it in the domain section. And once you type in your domain, click on continue. It's going to check your verification. You guys can see we have our don't remove the DNS tool. You may want to add multiple verification methods. Add this one like so. And our DNS records have been updated and have been verified. So I'm going to remove those so you guys can actually see what your domain is going to go through. So it's lilydavis.site, and over here it's going to ask you to check the verification. Now you can verify your domain ownership in two different ways. You can proceed with entering manual DNS records, or you can proceed with automatically connecting your domain name provider. Now, for most popular domain name providers like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other one of the more popular ones, you're going to have automatic connections available. But if not, you just have to select the type of record. So we're going to go with a TXT type of record, and you're going to just enter this TXT record into your domain configuration. Simply go onto domain over here, and you're going to click on manage DNS, and in the DNS settings you're going to add another DNS record. So we have these DNS records here. Click on add new record, and then you're going to select TXT. Then over here, you're going to copy this. And after you copy this, you're going to paste it over here in the value section, and you can choose add or email. Now, if you want, you can also remove any pre-existing domain name records that you might have. So you can also bulk edit those if you're resetting your domains from one, website to the next. It is recommended that you do remove any pre-existing data that is linked. So you can just do bulk selects, and you can click on the action you want to do. And we're just going to click on delete records, and add our new record instead. So our new record is going to be overridden with our previous one. So we have to just delete these old records for our new record to be overridden. And once you do that, you will have your sign in with Google, and then you can click on next. Once you do that, type in the password you created on Google Workspace, and now you can complete your ID verification. So you can receive a phone call, a text message, or an automated voice call. And once you do that, you will have your Google Workspace account ready. Now, I have created my Workspace account, so let's explore our Workspace account, and we're going to click on add account, and it's jane@lilydavis.site. Click on next, and then we can enter the password, and now we have full accessibility with our domain. So this is how simple and easy it is to verify your domain with Google Search Console. It only takes a couple of steps, and your domain is verified, and you can easily use it in all of your Google emails to get your own professional Google mailbox. Not only that, but domain management can be made really easy if you are going to use a platform like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Domain.com. Now, if I was to recommend any platform for people that are looking to purchase domains, I would definitely say that you should go for a domain name provider where you can afford the renewal fees, because sometimes the initial fees are really low, but renewal fees are where a lot of these platforms are making their money. So make sure to always note those before you subscribe to any domain.
And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.